Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export video in Davinci Resolve. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Davinci Resolve, and here you can see that I added a clip. So you simply need to click on this icon first. First you need to click on that, and here you can see render. You can render entire timeline or you can render in and out. So you need to select the range. So I'm going to click on entire timeline. Okay, once you select it, so here you can see the option. You can select any preset. I'm going to select the custom range. You can name your file, so I'm going to name it to forest. And now you can see the option of location. Click on browse where you want to save. So I want to save it onto the desktop so I can find it easily. So I need to change the name to forest. Okay, click on save. Here you can see that, and here you can see make sure that export video is selected, and you can change the resolution from here. So it is up to you. You can select ultra HD, that is 4K, and you can change the frame rate from here as well. And once you selected all the settings, you can do some advanced settings as well. So it is up to you. So once it is completed, click on add to render queue. So here you can see that video is added, and then you need to click on render all, and here you can see that now it start rendering, and after that you can see your video clip onto the desktop.